Hello, my AC unit broke down yesterday. Today is July 20. It's a very hot day, and yesterday my AC broke down and I decided to fix it today. I have some time. Then what I did some research on YouTube, but even this unit is broke last year, like 2 years ago. Some like AC blower motor, that one was broke down. I fixed it, I changed it, and also I changed the capacitor that time. The capacitor is located right here. When you open it here at that end, then I decided to fix this one. I changed the capacitor, shouldn't be any problem. There is no blower is like quiet. I don't see any movement, anything. Then let me check the power first. Here is all my power breakers. You see, here is the AC breakers. I turn it off and on. Here is, but the other is for the washer, and this for AC, but it didn't work. I have two AC thermostat. One is upstairs and one is downstairs. I turn on this one, but didn't work at all. It was quiet, and I turn on the fan like to keep it on and off. Didn't work. Then let me check the other thermostat. Okay, here is my second thermostat. One is downstairs, the other is upstairs, but they have just one unit. You can turn on both, or you can turn on just one. But okay, I turn it on the cool, but it still say 85, even 70, 75 doesn't, anything didn't work. If I turn on just the fan, didn't work. Okay, the next step is I took it off. Yeah, here it has a battery change. Battery is good because working. And here is some wires. These wires I checked it on YouTube. So I did some research. The red one is the power, and with the other one is I check the power, how much power I have here, but here is no power. Here we have a fuse. I check the fuse is good, no problem. Then next step is I decided to go to attic, check down there what's going on. Yes, my friend, attic has a switch. With that switch you can turn on the power. I mean the light, then you can see everything. Okay, let's go see what's going on, what we can do. Sure, I did it earlier today. Was cold. The weather was much better, cooler. Right now is here is, I'm sure, very hot. I can feel it. Let's check it. What's the weather? 119. If we check at the top, 135. Yeah, between 135 and 135. Okay, I'm gonna make a short video. It's very hot, but in general you will get something from it to how to fix the unit or how to check it. Maybe you have the same problem, or yeah, here is some wires. We need to go very careful. Yeah, you see the hose, like the pipe of, you see. Okay, this one is going to the air filter. Another, this is our unit. I took a couple of covers from here. I took it off. Here is one cover, and the other is over there. Then the good thing is we have some outlet power. I brought some lights, extra lights. I check it here. First thing is I check the switch. Here is, we have a switch. We have a switch. This switch is when you put the cover, then the unit is gonna work, like connecting the wires. But when you take it off, that will be out. I tried with that, didn't work. This is the blower motor. Like I told you a couple of years ago, I changed the capacitor on this one, and also I changed the blower, not a motor, a blower by itself, what they call it. Yeah, that one is blowing here. Okay, and here is, I check a different way. different way I check the switch, the power. The switch here is one wire is coming, the hot wire is going to the unit here. I check it down there, there is no power, just maybe few volts, 3-4 volts. Okay, I check the bottom and I did some research on YouTube to which one check it, which one is ground or which one is. You can check it that the ground is here. Sometimes you can check it from the body, or here is 2 wires coming. Here is 1 wire. Let me show you. Here is the white wire. Is here is, yeah, from here. I'm gonna explain later on. Here is coming. From here is the divided 3. Here is we have 3 wires coming. Here's not the top one. You see, let me show you the black, white, and what they call green. Yeah, the green one. Yeah, the green is just ground for safety ground, and the white one is what's say the negative, and black one is the positive. I check it. I track it. I check it. Here is no power. I check it both sides of the switch. I thought maybe the switch is bad. No. Then I thought maybe there's we have another, what they call that, what they call HVAC. We have another HVAC control, and that one is located here. Is on the top. Maybe the other yours different places located, but this one is for studio to control. You see, maybe you can read. Yeah, say 2-zone HVAC controller. I check here some. I check there is a small fuse. I think that's hard to see. Yeah, 2 amps. 2 amp fuse. I check that one is, but here is some lights. Another should come on. What they call LED. Or I forgot LED, small LED lights. Yeah, set 1 flash, okay. Number 2, like 2 flashes, EQ. I don't know what does it mean. And the other, yeah, okay. I check this one is like this one is okay, but there is no power. Let's go track the power. Where we get the power. We have the outlet here, and also we have here is a switch. This switch is for the safety. When you work on the unit, you turn it off on from here to be safe. Yeah, this switch is. I took off the cover off and AC, but I checked the wires. Like here's the bottom. Some wires came here and went to the outlets, and this one is going to the unit. Here you go. Here's some kind of box here. You see that? Yeah, I don't know, just maybe the connection box. And from over there, here's some. We got 2 wires, black and white. But when you go this side, over there is just 3 wires inside. The one is white, one is black, one is green. White, black, green. Hold on, you can see it. Yeah, white, black, green. It came from the other side. You see that? Yeah, here's. Yeah. Those what I was talking about. Okay, then what? Oh, sorry, here is very hot. Yeah, when I check it here is no power. Then I decided something is wrong here on the switch. Okay, there is, you see down there is the wire. Yeah, that wire is negative, and when I check it, this red one is positive. When with the ammeter, with the voltmeter, I check that one is give me 120 volts with red, that one is, yeah. Then I check it this side, red on this side. I decide the ground on the black. This black. You see the screw, the bolt. Yeah, I check it here. When I turn off the switch, turn off on. When turn it on, here is 110, 120, but turn it off like 5 volt. Okay, then should be after this unit, whatever it is called this. Yeah, on the other side should be the same. When you turn on the switch, should be 120. When I turn it on, off, but over there I just got 5 volt. Oh, problem is here. We don't get 120 volt back. The one we get here through the switch, but we don't get it back to the unit. The problem is here. With a piece of wire, I connect this wire with that wire. This two wire connects to the bottom connected, and when I push the switch here is the switch, and my unit start working. Then I decided to change this switch, or let's see, connect those wires. The wire. This one is this side. Like bypass this unit. Yeah, I'm gonna find another switch and I'm gonna replace with that. When I did it at this work, my unit, I'm sure, will gonna work. This is, I tested this work, and this is all, and was not that difficult, and took me like couple of hours, 2-3 hours. That time was cooler this morning. Now it's hot. Okay, thank you for watching. Good luck to you.